I'm so excited and so happy because today some of our students are graduating. At JAMES Okori Technical Institute, we practically train people and we issue certificates after their training. We train people on solar installation, CCTV camera installation, industrial control panel and automation, AutoCAD design, smart home automation, anything that concerns electrical wiring and installation, domestic wiring, commercial wiring, industrial wiring. We do them here practically at JAMES Okori Technical Institute, and we have our students who have graduated today. These are their certificates, right? They graduated today, so we are going out there to give them their certificate. Remember, we are located at number 1 Alabide Street in Abaja, Lagos State. If you want to come for our physical training or even enroll for our online training, you can call us and send us a WhatsApp message on the number you see on the screen now. We have accommodation for all the people that are coming from far places. We have comfortable accommodation for you. So let's go and give certificate to our students, and also to tell them about after training mentorship and how we can be able to support them even after their training. So we are going there now. For people that are graduating today, congratulations to you all. We have what we call after training mentorship. I believe you have been briefed on it. And also, as contractors, we also go to field work and site work. And also, we will encourage you, if you are going for field work and site work, always alert us. Most of us went to the solar work that is ongoing, or that people did. That solar work, although the work is still ongoing because they have not done the programming. So that's how many people that are coming here, that's how they always invite us to work. And when you look at it, you see that we are taking our students, we always take our students to that place. When you check some of the videos we post online, you see from side to side to side, and you see most of our students going there. So now it's now on your own hand to also get contracts and invite people to come to your site. I don't know if you're getting me. So we always support you. Like the person that is doing that installation, he came for training here and he got the contract. So we send people there for mounting of the solar panels, which they have finished. We also send people there for the installation of the inverters and all the rest of them. Those inverters are 2 inverters, 10 kVA, and they are paralleling them. I will still be the one to assist him in terms of programming and all the rest of them. So we have what we call after training mentorship. If you have issues with any installation, always call or contact us, or if you're around, you can come here. If you have issue on anything that concerns maybe audits, or we have to buy original materials, or maybe you want a contact of somebody that can supply you this or that, you can always call, or you come here if you're around. And also, if you want to also partner with us in the sense that, okay, you have a very big contract and you want us to work together as partners to achieve this, we are also into business, so you can always come around for that. I think you're getting me. So for me not to waste our time, these are the names. I will call the name accordingly.